Okay, I just added this one to the function setup is running at the first. I just bring it back to the value is 1. Let's not just be very naughty. Okay, I'm just gonna save it. I'm gonna just put it here, and let's see the output. Okay, we are ready. For the first step, we already did our map. We can do many things for the map function, but let's see. Waiting for the output, and like okay. As you can see, we have the beer here with the comma, okay, and I'm gonna just, you can see this is the setup. Already right this line is set up. We're gonna remove the dot and everything. What I'm gonna do, because we have a regular, we can use a regular expression. I bring this line to here, and I say, okay, after you make it uppercase, I need you remove whatever is not part of the character anymore. Okay, this one is just gonna remove that dot, this one, or anything is not character of the alphabetical. Okay, let's because now you see the output as well. I'm gonna do that for the okay. As long as you bring the reducer, the information of the context is gonna be as a input. The information is gonna be as an input of the reducer, and the reducer is gonna have its own output of the context. That means if I have for the next time, what I'm gonna do, I just want to uncomment my only reducer. Okay, not this time. Let's see for the output. Okay, as you can see, there is no dot anymore. I just remove all of them. Okay, I'm gonna go just as you can see, I just uncomment here the reducer, and let's see what's going to be output. If we don't have anything you see all of them is comment, there is nothing inside the reducer, and as long as we bring the reducer to the game, the context is going to be empty. And okay, the reducer run every word. For example, if you have a 3 times let's is give you the array of the 3 let's with each of the value. We already set the value in the map 1. That's why in the reducer we need to count the number of the word, writing the word as a key, and the sum of the value as a value, as a sum of the and the number of the how many times is repeated in that array as a value. That's why it's going to be the reduce. After reduce is going to be the next. Okay, this is empty, but you see there is nothing. We have nothing here. Okay, let's me adjust. I'm going to write something very constant. I'm not going to go for the answer very quickly. I'm going to say here, okay, Reza, okay, only Reza, and I don't care about the values. I don't care about the values. I'm not going to use these values. Okay, I'm going to just use. I'm not going to use the key. I don't care about that. I'm just going to say, okay, this counter, okay. Okay, here I just want to do something. I just want to say a static integer counter for this class as well, 0, and I will show you. This is the, I'm going to write the counter plus plus here. Every time I want to say the counter and show you how many times. Actually, the counter is the number of the times. I'm going to just write it. I started from 1. Let's run the program and explain the while is running. I just, in the reduce function, I just write it this one. What is that? Only write reza. How many times is that? Is it the number of the time of the, how many word we have, how many word, not repeat, not the, for example, if we have 55, how many distinct word we have, the reduce is gonna run, and the key is going to be that word, and the value is going to be the value of the, we already set in the map. Okay, what I'm gonna do, let's see the output here. Oh, you see, he's just write my, he just writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 30. That means we have 30 distinct words in our context. The context in the map already written in the map. Okay, I'm gonna just use not reza. I'm gonna use, instead of reza, I'm gonna just write it the key. Because I already have the text of the key. Okay, let's see the output. I just want to test something. Here is only counter. Okay, if I want to counter, that means how many times the map, how many times reduce is running. Every time the reduce is running for each word, I'm saying again, each word, I don't mean, if, for example, if you have 3 times let, is reduce is running only once for let, once for I, once for other word. Okay, looks like we had an error. Okay, variable key. Okay, what is, oh, I just put the capital key. It should be, what is the R? Okay, just and okay, for the next time I'm gonna use the values, because we already compiled. If I say write something here, instead of counter for the next time, the output already is for the counter, but for next time say value. Let's see what we have in the value. Do we have any length or something? I just wanted to know what is the value. Okay, do we have something like 2 array? Okay, if I make it 2 array, oh, what happened? Connection to array, sorry. 2 array. No, I just don't want to do anything first. Let's print it. Okay, you see that all the words counter. That's it. You see that all the words and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a counter. It doesn't mean when it's 28 times repeated. No, it's just a counter. That means we are ready. How many times is repeated? Is 25 times, 29 times. Oh, not 30 times. Yourself is the last one. Is a 30 times, 30 distinct value we have. Okay. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just because I have the values. What I'm gonna do, I'm just count how many times we have the values. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say for its for iterable value, I'm going to write a 1 for each item. The value is the val inside the values, and okay, and I'm going to say sum is equal 0 or counter, COUN is 0. I'll finish the